Students, welcome back. In the previous class, we have concluded with where handpicking can be used, in which occasion. If the size of impure substance is large or the quantity of impure substance is less, means there you can use what? Yes, handpicking. Okay, in these two cases only you can use handpicking. Okay, the size is bigger or the quantity of impure substance is less. In these two cases, you can use which method? Hand picking method. Okay, and look at here. If the size of impure substance is small or if a large quantity of impurity is present, is this method possible? No. This method is not possible in these two cases. Only the first two cases hand picking is possible. Okay. Children, now look at here. Okay, after harvesting, for wheat plant, after harvesting, the grains are separated from the stalks, right? I have told you about this already, but I didn't tell you that how the grains are separated from the stalk. Which methods are used? Yes, threshing is a process used for separating grains from stalk. Okay, so look at here what a farmer is doing here. Yes, it's keep it for drying. The stalks are keep it for drying after harvesting. Okay, and what the any other process? Yes, after keep it for drying, there are two processes. Okay, look at the first case. Here what he is doing? Yes, he is beaten it manually in a hard surface. He is beaten it manually in a hard surface, and that time what happens? Yes, the grains are separated. Okay, when you beaten it in a hard surface, the grains are separated, and which is just going here and there, and from there the stalks are separated and the grains are separated. If there is tons of grains are there, you can use threshing machine. So if it may not be possible to use beaten it manually, there you have to use threshing machine. Okay, then only which is possible to separate. Threshing is possible. If acres of land is there or tons of grains are there, you can use this threshing machine. I hope you might have seen this threshing machine. Okay, now winnowing is another method. Okay, children, before going to winnowing, did you ever seen husk? What is husk? Look at the first picture. Husk is the outer brown covering of the grain, which is not possible to eat, right? So which is an unwanted substance. Inside the grain only edible to eat. So during winnowing, what we are doing? Yes, we wanted to separate this husk, right? So which methods are used? Yes, we have to use the different method. Look at here. The husk is the fodder part, and from the husk, inside the grain has to be separated from the husk. Okay, so what is winnowing? How to do winnowing? So how will you separate this husk? Yes, winnowing is a method of separation used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture. Look at here, heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. Okay, mainly farmers are used to separate husk. Okay, this method. Look at here what this lady is doing. She is just standing upraised. Okay, in a higher position she is standing. Okay, and what she is doing? Look at the position of wind. Wind is coming. Okay, so along with the wind, what she is doing? She is just pouring it down. So at that time what happens is just make it little lift up and lift it down. So along with the wind you can see the lighter particle means the husk, the outer shelter of the grain, the husk particle, yes, which is lighter particle, will be carried away by wind. Look at here. Yes, look at the position of husk where it's going. Look at the position of grain. Yes, look at the down arrow. The heavier particle will settle down and form heap. Okay, it form a heap. It need not collect it together because it forms as a heap. Okay, and the lighter particles are going far away. Okay, so this is winnowing. This winnowing is mainly you might be seen from your home, right? Yes, your mother is doing. Okay, she have you know, that rice and all, rice, grain, she used to do from home. If you observe her, you might be knowing that. So winnowing is a method of separation used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. Wind or blowing air is required, and which is used by farmer to separate husk from grains. Okay, this is what we have learned, the process winnowing. Okay, and before going into the another process, let's just compare the threshing and winnowing. If you want to separate the grain from stalks, threshing is to be done. Okay, there winnowing is not possible, right? Yes, but in the case of winnowing, you want to separate the grain from the husk. Husk is a non-useful component, but here stalk is a useful component. That point also you have to remember. Okay, so threshing and winnowing is used in a different occasion. For winnowing, wind is required, blowing air is required. For threshing, either it can be used by threshing machine or by using, yes, a hard surface to beaten the grains from the stalks is separated. Then what is this? You might be seeing from home, your mother is doing the same process. Yes, this is a sieving machine. She is used to separate the fine powder, right? Yes, sieving is a simple technique for separating particles of different sizes. Sieving is used when components of a mixture have different sizes, not the point. If the components are in the different sizes, then it can be used. Look at the first case. Here the wheat flour, it is very thin. So that kind of sieving machine is enough for separating the wheat flour or rice flour. If you want to prepare puttu, or if you want to prepare what? Yes, idiyappam. Okay, she used to do like this. You want fine particle. That is what she is doing. Look at the second case. Sand is a bigger portion, right? The clear sand is separated down and the stone is separated at the top of the sieving machine. Compared to the first, second is little bit bigger. Okay, and coming to the third, look at here what he is doing. Yes, in the construction work, what he is doing? Yes, he is separating the sand from stone. The stone is separated and the sands settle down at the bottom. Okay, this is the important method of separation that is called a sieving. Okay.